A HubSpot study on website engagement found that, on average, people spend 54 seconds on a web page. So what does this mean? It means you've got less than a minute to make an impression on your website's visitors. Despite people spending more time online, there's a lot of information to consume, and only the best results attain engagement. To stick out, use precise, understandable sentences, write in an active voice, embrace the use of bullet points, and use subheadings to break the text into easy to read chunks. Lastly, don't forget to add visuals to further appeal to the site user. That was step 11 on how to rank #1 in Google in 2023. Don't worry, there are more and I will be going through them. If you want more great tips and advice regarding all things SEO, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos we upload. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.